Hi. I have an IKEA valgjord dishwasher showing fault code 30, anti-flood device is on. Pump is also running continuously. No sign of any damp around the machine. I think it was just because the filters were quite blocked. Filters cleared now. How do I reset the fault? I've tried turning it off and on again.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
It's an IKEA valgjord. It won't respond other than beeping and show fault code 30.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Either a leak or an overflow has occurred and this has triggered the anti-flood system. Turn off the appliance and unplug it from the power socket. Open the door of the dishwasher and look up towards the top. There should be 2 screws, they may be covered by caps. These screws secure the dishwasher body to the work surface. Undo the screws securing the body to the work surface. Wind up the rear legs of the appliance using the built-in adjusters. Wind up the front legs. Remove the dishwasher from its housing. Tilt the appliance backward at an angle of approx 60 degrees to expel any waters from the base. If the problem happens again thereafter, then you'll need to remove the right-hand side panel to investigate for leaks. If there is no water to be found in the base, check the switch at the top of the anti-flood system's float. If it is not an integrated version, let me know.
Thanks, George. Giving it a go now.
Okay, let me know how you get on.
Bang on the money, George. Problem solved. Tested with a quick rinse cycle. Job's a good un. Cheers.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.